Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to edit your channel handle on your channel. So I'm doing this on mobile. Let's assume that we have a channel handle already existing and we want to edit that. I'm going to show you how to do it. So there is also a story behind this. I'm also going to explain that. So click on your channel icon and you can notice right here, this is my handle. Now let me go ahead and explain something very quick. So if you're making use of YouTube, and depending on your YouTube channel name, my channel name is Loot Jewel, and below you can notice at Loot Jewels and there is some numbers in front of it. Now this was actually created automatically. So to edit that, click on this icon and then you go over to your channel. This is already your channel, don't worry about that. Click on this profile icon and then go over to channels, and now this is your channel. So click on this pencil icon to edit. Now you can notice this is your handle, so click on this pencil icon once more to edit that. Now click or double click and it's going to bring down a text, and you can just delete the words behind and then you hit save. But if this handle is already existing, it's not going to be able to create it, but since it's not existing, it was able to create it. So the reason why I edited this is because YouTube actually created this automatically for me, because my channel name is Loot Jewel. So they added Loot Jewel and they added down numbers just in case another person is already bearing you Loot Jewels. But I don't think there is anybody bearing the same name. I'm the only person bearing it, and this is actually a gaming channel. And if you guys haven't played the game, go ahead and download Loot Jewels. It's just a game for your kids. I created it and I think it's going to be easy and fun for you guys to play. So this is how to edit your YouTube channel handle, and I just did that right here, you can see. So let me know if this works for you, and if you have any other question, let me know on the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.